Hello guys, today on Alik Exam we're gonna be unboxing Soul Calibur 4. This is my, what can I say, it's my favorite fighting game. It has Darth Vader, Ivy, and this dude which I forgot his name. And this is the old box. Yeah, it's my favorite fighting game. My uncle gave it to me. Yeah, it's a really good fighting game. Okay, we're gonna be unboxing it. Can't wait. Engrave your name in history. During the reincarnation of Soul Calibur and Soul Edge Sword, something awakened. The battle between two swords is final phase. Be part of the ultimate fight. Okay. 12 contains moderate fantasy violence. Let's open it. This is the disc, and this is. Let's see the manual. See this is regular stuff you see in every manual. Controls, stuff, character creations, and credits. Here is the disc, PlayStation 3 disc. Okay, subscribe and leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.